Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your motion style in NBA 2K26. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is just pause the game and head over to the My Player tab. Right here we need to select the second option, animations. In order to change the motion style, firstly we need to purchase the animation. So for that we need to go to animation store, select the first option, scoring mouse. Right here we need to scroll and you're gonna see the option motion styles. Right here you will able to see these kind of animations and you can just purchase all of them if you want, because they are completely free. So for the sake of this video I would love to proceed with this one. So firstly we need to purchase this. For that just select the animation. When it is in your card, just hit Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation in order to open the card and just confirm the purchase. Once you do that, we need to head back to gameplay animations. So for that hit LB key or L1 key, and just here we need to scroll all the way to down and you're gonna see the option for motion style. Select that and here you can just easily equip the animation which you have purchased. And yeah, that's exactly how you can change motion style in NBA 2K26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.